I designed a software about employee management system. With the development of modern technology, the scale of traditional companies is expanding, and more companies need a mature employee management system to manage their employees. So I designed this employee management system. Its purpose is to help companies manage their employees more effectively. The basic principle of the system is that when employees sign in between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. and between 16 p.m. and 18 p.m., they will be notified that the sign-in is successful. While the rest of the time, the sign-in will be notified that the sign-in failed, and please indicate the reason for not signing. Next, I will show the operation of this system in detail. First, enter the correct username and password within the specified time. User mark is also the next test. You can see that it will promote check-in successful. You can see the promote username or password is error after entering the wrong username or password. Next, if we don't sign in within the specified time, we will promote the check-in time is not arrived. Please explain the reason. Then we wrote that the reason was that I'm sick. Finally, we open the management background data page. This page records the specific time of marked late arrival, the reason, and whether the sign-in was successful. This picture is check-in successful, and this picture is error. This picture is not on time, and this picture is like the reason. This picture is the background data. I think this system can be mainly used in small and medium-sized enterprises with a relatively large number of people, which can effectively strengthen the management efficiency of the company's employees and facilitate business owners to know the work situation of their employees. Part 2. I have provided assets for participant information sheet, right to withdraw slip, and audio video recording right table. The specific document can be found in the file. The following is the scenario task I designed. There are 5 employees in the company department: Mark, Alice, Jack, Bob, and Ben. The boss hopes that they will test the employee management system that has just been launched to see if there is any room of improvement in the system, and they need to fill out relevant questionnaires to provide feedback. Push the system to the internet and public the questionnaires to allow more people to have the opportunity to test the system and collect their feedback from the questionnaire and focus on analyzing their suggestions. The following are the questionnaire questions I designed and the result of the questionnaire. This questionnaire survey collect a total of 156 pieces of data. Through these data, it can be found that a large number of companies believe that they need to use software systems to solve employee management problems. They are also quite satisfied with this system. More than 18% of people think that their company needs to use software systems to solve employee management problems. Only about 20% of people are very satisfied with the functions of this system, and 62 people give suggestions for adding functions. It can be seen that the system will have many shortcomings in function. The following is a summary of some suggestions was adopted through evaluation and analysis. It is also the plan I will improve. First, lack of registration and logging functions. Second, the ability for employees to create projects can be increased. Third, the function of searching items can be added. Fourth, release the function of employee communication. From this suggestion, we can see that I need to focus on increasing the diversity of system functions in the process of redesigning the system to ensure the perfection of system functions. Part 3. Next, I will redesign the employee management system, designing the problems that user feedback and the functions that need to be added in place. The first is the registration and the login functions. Adding these two functions can facilitate employees to register information and log into their user interface. Second, you can see that I have added the function of creating projects and the function of searching projects, which greatly reduce the difficulty for employees to make projects. The next step is to create a project interface where you can fill in the project name, project people, and the project time. Finally, I added the function of project communication to facilitate communication among employees. For this system, I added the above functions and made a graphical interface for the display. I believe that through the redesign of the employee management system, the functions and the defensive of the system can be more effectively improved. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.